In the heart of the Vietnam War, every day unfolds like a new chapter of human resilience and courage. Today, we dive into the life of a chopper medic, a silent hero soaring above the chaos of the battle zone. From the break of dawn, these medics prepare for intense missions. Their day begins with checking medical supplies, ensuring every bandage and vial of morphine is in place. The rotor blades slice the morning air as the choppers lift off, carrying these medics into the grim heart of war. Their mission? To save lives. As the helicopter hovers over dense jungles and smoky battlegrounds, gunfire echoes, a stark reminder of the persistent danger. The medic's role kicks in with the adrenaline. Under fierce conditions, they perform triage, making split-second decisions about who needs immediate care. Their hands work swiftly, bandaging wounds, stabilizing fractures, administering IVs, all while the rotor beats and enemy fire continue. The chopper descends quickly to pick up the wounded. Soldiers, injured and bleeding, are loaded aboard, clutching onto the medic, their lifeline in those critical moments. In the cramped, vibrating chamber of the helicopter, the medic does their utmost to keep them alive. They talk to the soldiers, offering words of comfort, trying to keep their spirits up as they rush them to field hospitals miles away. Between missions, there's little time for rest. Returning to base means quickly restocking supplies, grabbing a bite to eat, debriefing for the next flight. Each rescued soldier is a reminder of success, but the weight of those they couldn't save lingers. Yet the medics soldier on, fueled by an unwavering dedication to duty and lives they hold in their hands. As night falls, reflections on the day's events mingle with the hum of the barracks. Each face saved is a victory, yet sleep comes with the hope that tomorrow brings fewer casualties. It's a relentless cycle, dawn to dusk. Such is the relentless, heroic life of a Vietnam chopper medic, constantly on the edge, in an unending dance with danger, driven by a mission of mercy amidst the madness of war.